exercise of chapter 2, microorganism friends and foe of science. Okay, so let's start from question number 1. Fill in the blanks. So here you see A. Microorganism can be seen with the help of a microscope. Okay. Blue green algae fix nitrogen directly from the air to enhance the fertility of soil. C. Alcohol is produced with the help of yeast. And D. Cholera is caused by bacteria. Okay. Now question number 2. Tick the correct answer. Yeast is used in the production of sugar, alcohol, hydrochloric acid, oxygen. So the answer is alcohol. Okay. Yeast का use alcohol के production में किया जाता है. Second, the following is an antibiotic: sodium bicarbonate, streptomycin, alcohol or yeast. So the correct answer is streptomycin. Okay. C. Carrier of malaria causing protozoa is female Anopheles mosquito, cockroach, housefly or butterfly. So the correct answer is female Anopheles mosquito. Okay. Now D. The most common carrier of communicable disease is ant, housefly, dragonfly, spider. So correct answer is housefly. E. The bread or idli dough rises because of heat, grinding, growth of yeast cells or kneading. So the correct answer is growth of yeast cells. Okay. Now F. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called nitrogen fixation, molding, fermentation, infection. So the correct answer is fermentation. Okay. Now question number 3. Match the organism in column A with their action in column B. See, यहाँ पर match the column आपको दिया हुआ है, तो इसका आंसर हमें मैच करना है. ओके. तो देखें, बैक्टीरिया का करेक्ट कॉलम क्या होगा, करेक्ट मैच क्या होगा, कॉजिंग कोलेरा. ओके. सेकंड राइजोबियम फिक्सिंग नाइट्रोजन. लैक्टोबैसिलस setting of curd. Yeast baking of bread. Protozoa causing malaria. Virus causing AIDS. ओके. तो ये आपको आंसर भी दिया हुआ है, आप देख सकते हैं और मैच कर लीजिएगा इसको. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. कैन माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म बी सीन विद द नेक्ड आई? इफ नॉट, हाउ कैन दे बी सीन? माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म क्या आपको खाली ऐसी आंखों से दिख जाते हैं, नग्न आंखों से दिख जाते हैं? और अगर नहीं दिखते हैं तो वो कैसे दिखते हैं? So the answer is the microorganism cannot be seen with our naked eyes because they are very small in size. Some of these, such as fungus growing on bread, can be seen with a magnifying glass. Others cannot be seen without the help of a microscope. Question number 5. What are the major group of microorganisms? So the answer is microorganisms are classified on the basis of their size into 4 major groups. These groups are bacteria, fungi, protozoa and some algae. Okay. Now next question is question 6. Name the microorganism which can fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. So the answer is Rhizobium, Clostridium and Azotobacter. Okay. Now question number 7. Write 10 lines on the usefulness of microorganism in our life. So the answer is microorganisms are useful to us in many ways. For example, bacteria like lactobacillus convert milk into curd. Bacteria are also involved in the making of cheese. Acetobacter aceti is used for producing acetic acid from alcohol. Yeast is used in the commercial production of alcohol, wine and bakery products. Some specific microorganisms are helpful in manufacturing of antibiotics. Microorganisms act as cleansing agents and decompose the waste product into manure. Dead or weakened microbes are used in the preparation of vaccine. Some bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen and increase soil fertility. Algae, yeast, fungi or bacteria may be used as an ingredient or a substitute for protein-rich foods that are suitable for human or animal consumptions. Some microorganisms are taken as probiotics that are believed to provide health benefits when consumed. Okay. Now question number 8. Write a short paragraph on the harms caused by microorganism. वो जो हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में देखा वो हमने उसके यूजेस देखे, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पर हार्म मतलब नुकसान कैसे पहुंचाते हैं ऑर्गेनिज्म, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, उनके बारे में बताया गया है। Microorganisms are harmful to us in many ways. For example, microorganisms called pathogens cause disease in humans, plants, and animals. Pathogens are or germs enter a healthy body through air, water, contaminated food, and infected person by direct or indirect contact or by the carrier. Common ailments like cold, influenza, cough, polio, chicken pox are caused by viruses. Foot and mouth diseases in the cattle are also caused by viruses. Typhoid, tuberculosis are caused by bacteria. Anthrax, a dangerous human and cattle diseases, is also caused by bacteria. Diseases like dysentery and malaria are caused by protozoa. Ringworm is caused by fungi. Several microbes causes diseases in plants and thus reduces the yields. Citrus canker, a bacterial diseases, affect trees of citrus fruit and is spread by air. Bhendi yellow vein mosaic disease is caused by a virus and is spread by insect in ladyfingers. Rust of wheat is a fungal disease spread through air. Microorganisms that grow on our food sometimes produce toxic substances. These make the food poisonous, causing serious illness and even death. This foodborne illness is called food poisoning. Now question number 9. What are antibiotics? What precautions must be taken while taking antibiotics? So antibiotics are the medicines which kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microbes. They are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms. They are used to cure a variety of diseases. It is important to take antibiotics only on the advice of a qualified doctor. One must finish the course prescribed by the doctor to make the drug more effective. Antibiotics must not be taken unnecessarily because it may kill beneficial bacteria also. Antibiotics are, however, not effective against cold and flu as they are caused by viruses. So here your exercise of chapter 2 is completed. So write this exercise in your fair copy. Okay.